to Intecsa Group, a leading Mexican company with over 25 of invaluable experience. Over the years, Intecsa has established itself as a cornerstone in the industry. Instalaciones y Técnica, the contractor company with over 25 years of experience in the market, specialized in the installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical systems. We take pride in our focus on customer satisfaction and always strive to exceed our client expectations. Even in the most difficult places, we do it better. From industry, commercial, and residential installations, we are the top contractor in the field. Canalizaciones o portería mexicana. We use cutting-edge technology in all our products, which allow us to ensure the quality and efficiency of our services. Additionally, we make sure to stay updated on the latest trends and innovations in the field of the metal mechanical manufacturing. With several years of experience as top-of-the-notch machinery, we can achieve all of our clients' needs. ITA is our panel builder company. As ITA, our team is composed of engineers and technicians specialized in the assembly of low and medium voltage electrical equipment. They all share our commitment to excellence in the quality of our equipment and customer satisfaction. Our customer is our priority in every field and every project, from low voltage to middle voltage. Thank you.